In today's video, I am going to teach you how to calculate profit and loss percentage in Microsoft Excel. To begin, organize your financial values into clear cells so the calculation is easy to read and easy to manage. For this example, we will track a product's performance using two basic values, the cost price and the selling price. In cell A2, enter the cost price. This is the amount you paid for the product. For example, you can type 100 to represent a wholesale cost of $100. In cell B2, enter the revenue or selling price. This is the amount you earned from selling the product. For example, type 150 to represent a retail price of $150. Once those values are in place, the next step is to calculate the profit and loss percentage. Click on an empty cell where you want the result to appear. In this example, use cell C2. In that cell, type the formula exactly as follows: equals, open parenthesis, B2 minus A2, close parenthesis, divided by A2. Written out, the formula is equals, open parenthesis, B2 minus A2, close parenthesis, divided by A2. This formula works by taking the difference between the selling price and the cost price, then dividing that difference by the cost price. That gives you the profit or loss as a decimal value. If the selling price is higher than the cost, the result will be positive. If the selling price is lower than the cost, the result will be negative. After entering the formula, press Enter. Then click on cell C2 again so you can format the result as a percentage. To do that, press Ctrl plus Shift plus % on your keyboard. You can also click the % icon on the Home tab if you prefer using the ribbon. Excel will convert the decimal into a percentage format. In this example, the result will display as 50%. A positive percentage means you made a profit because the revenue was higher than the cost. A negative percentage means you took a loss because the cost was higher than the revenue. This makes it very easy to evaluate the performance of a product at a glance. That covers everything you need to know.